Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have REALME GT 60 and I want to show you how see available random access memory on this device. To do that, open Settings application, where we scroll down and look for our about device selection, and there we must find our build number, which is in our version. And version number, and we must tap sometimes to activate our develop mode. To confirm it, enter our look screen. Now we can go back and choose additional settings, where we have new selection developer option in it, memory, and there we have information about our available random access memory. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.